Hi, this is Tim from htmltim.com here. In this video, I want to talk about migrating from Sublime Text to the Pulsar Text Editor, specifically getting the look and feel of Sublime Text when you start off, and just one or two plugins you might want to install. So I've got an HTML file open in Pulsar. This is the default theme, the one dark theme, and the default indentation is 2 spaces. Let's first change the indentation. So I'm going to do Control comma to bring up my settings. I'm going to go to Editor here. And if I scroll on down here, I can change the tab length to 4 spaces. Okay, so I'm just going to change that. If I close this out, and now get rid of that. And if I use this HTML snippet, now we've got 4 spaces like Sublime. So that's a good start. But the theme is still different. So let's change the theme. So if I do Control comma, I'm going to bring up themes. And one of the themes I installed, if you're Sublime Text 2 or Sublime Text 3, I would recommend the Atom Sublime Monokai theme. And that's a theme that you can install. I'll show you how to install that in a moment. So it's going to take a moment to change. And now we've got our nice Monokai syntax. Also, if you like the white sidebar, you can do the one light here, okay? And then you've got the white sidebar with your Monokai theme right there. If you like the angled tabs, you can either do Atom Dark for your theme, and that'll give you the Sublime style angled tabs, or you can do Atom Light, okay? If I do Atom Light here, then we've got pretty similar. The tab in Sublime Text is dark here, but it's pretty close to a Sublime Text look. Personally, I prefer the one light because the tab is also dark and it gives you that contrast. So we'll do the one light and we'll see that the tab here is dark like the theme. Now, if you're coming from Sublime Text 4 and you want more of a Mariana type theme, well, you can install this Mariana theme here. And you can get that theme out of the box, which looks pretty similar to the Mariana theme in Sublime. The one other thing I installed that makes it similar to Sublime, if you go to packages here, and this community package I installed was Auto Close HTML+. Okay, and all that does is if I say create a paragraph tag here, it's going to close the paragraph tag and put the cursor in between. If I create, let's say, an H2 tag here, it's going to close the tag. When this is not enabled, let me show you what happens. So if I disable this package here and I go back up and I create a tag, I'm going to have to actually type the closing tag, okay? Which I actually prefer that behavior because especially if I'm teaching HTML to students, that kind of thing, it's nice to not have it automatically close, or if I'm trying to wrap HTML in text, I can do multiple cursors. Let's see. Let's talk about how we installed those themes. Okay, so to install themes, I can just click on Install in the settings. So you do Control comma to get to the settings. And then we go to themes, and then you can start to search themes. I could start to type in Sublime, and a bunch of different things come up. In fact, right now the packages are coming up as well. That may change in the future. So you also have stuff like Sublime block comment and that kind of thing. But you'll see this third one down, Atom Sublime Monokai syntax. And there's some other Monokai themes you can install as well if you just want if you want to try another Monokai theme. Okay, same thing with Mariana. Mariana spelled with one N here. I'm not actually sure how it's spelled otherwise, but you can search for Mariana and get that. With packages, yeah, maybe in the future, you type here, you're going to type packages, but it's auto close, auto close. You search for that. And my internet is slow here, but it'll come up auto close HTML, and then there's auto close HTML plus if you want to install that package. So package installation is quite easy in Pulsar. Just Control comma, go to install, and you can install your packages and start to get Pulsar looking like Sublime Text if you're making the transition over. A lot of the key bindings are the same, so I think it'll be an easy transition if you choose to make that choice. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.